That's good. That's good that it's that much cast iron, yeah.
Good and bad. I mean, with an older house like this, yeah, you might be better off with cast iron, but you know the cast iron's heavily scaled at the same time. So you saw I just pulled back and got into the cast, and we are totally underwater. And I mean totally, because if I can take my camera and go like this and I can see the top of the water, then we're probably half full, and this thing is just holding. And it's holding all the way to really here.
So it's holding about 8 feet?
It's holding about, I want to say about closer to 20 feet.
Yeah.
So I'm going to locate this outside so we know. Actually, I'm going to go just until I'm just about to come out of the front foundation wall, and we'll locate it at the wall. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put my camera just outside the foundation wall, and I'm going to turn on all the water in the house to see if we can get it to back up
Okay.
with that big belly that's in there.
Yeah, that's what it comes down to.
If we can't get it to back up, you're probably not going to back it up. I'll say about right there.